Welcome back to the POW-ESS channel. In this video, we will walk you through the installation and wiring of the POW-ESS12KW-60 solar storage system. First, place the battery in a suitable position against the wall, then secure it using the 4 mounting brackets provided. In this demo, the battery is not fully fixed. For actual installation, make sure to use the expansion bolts provided and secure the battery firmly through all mounting holes for safety. This system uses a 51.2V 300 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery, offering stable performance and long service life. After fixing the battery, remove the protective covers from the battery terminals, then stack the inverter module on top of the battery. The stackable design makes installation simple and space-saving. Next, use the mounting accessories included with the inverter to secure both inverter to the wall and to the battery, ensuring long-term stability and safety. Once everything is secured, remove the 2 screws on the right side and open the inverter's wiring cover to start wiring. The inverter comes with a built-in wiring box and circuit breakers, allowing direct cable connection. First, use the 2 L-shaped metal connectors to connect the battery terminals to the battery breaker. No separate battery cables are required, making installation faster and cleaner. With up to 200 amp charging current, the system enables faster battery charging under good sunlight. After connection, reinstall the terminal covers. Then connect the BMS communication cable to the BMS port on the inverter's communication board. Besides the BMS communication, it also comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making remote monitoring and setup much easier. Next, connect the AC output, AC input, and the 2 PV inputs in order. We recommend wiring from left to right, as the cable entry is on the right side for easier cable management. During wiring, always ensure correct polarity and phase connections. Connect the grounding wire to the grounding bar. The system provides up to 12,000 watts of output power. It supports 100 to 127V adjustable voltage, as well as 120V and 240V output, making it compatible with a wide range of appliances. With dual MPPT and support for 1.5 times PV oversizing, the system captures more solar energy throughout the day. After all wiring is complete, turn on the battery switch. Once the battery indicator shows normal operation, close the battery breaker and then turn on the inverter. If there are no arrows on the display, switch on the PV inputs, grid inputs, and AC output breakers one by one. The system will then start operating normally. Finally, close the wiring cover. Now your ESS system is ready to power your solar energy setup. That's all for the installation and wiring of the ESS12KW-60 solar energy storage system. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.